Welcome to Potter's Sprinkler Tech Focus, where we examine the innovative features that make our products the industry standard. Today we will explore the features of the Potter Flow Switch Bypass Switch. The Flow Switch Bypass Switch, or FSBS, is a key-operated switch which, when turned to the bypass position, interrupts the alarm signal from the flow switch to the fire alarm control panel, allowing you to fill a system or perform maintenance without alerting central station monitoring or the fire department. The FSBS is installed within proximity of the connected flow switch, most commonly done by mounting onto the wall utilizing a double gang back box. It is also possible to mount the FSBS on the sprinkler system piping as long as it is properly secured. The device should be front-facing on the pipe and adjacent to the connected flow switch. When the FSBS isn't utilized and a system needs to be maintained or filled, traditionally the flow switch would activate and send an alarm signal to the fire alarm control panel. This would typically alert a central station and the fire department of an emergency event. To bypass the flow switch alarm, insert the key into the FSBS and turn to bypass. This will disconnect the flow switch from the fire alarm control panel and/or local alarm while simultaneously lighting an amber LED on the switch plate to indicate that the water flow alarm has been bypassed. This will also send a trouble signal to the fire alarm control panel. This condition cannot be cleared until the FSBS has been restored to normal. Once the flow switch has been bypassed, it is safe to perform maintenance or fill the sprinkler system without activating the flow switch alarm signal. While filling the fire sprinkler system, you will notice that the flow switch will still activate and signal, as shown by the red LED on the FSBS. However, the signal will be intercepted by the FSBS and the alarm control panel will not activate. The red flow switch activated LED provides a visual indication of the flow switch status in both normal and bypass modes. This helps to prevent unwanted alarms caused by turning the key switch back to the ready position while the flow switch is still activated. It can also be used as a visual indicator to identify which riser is flowing in a normal condition. Once the maintenance has been completed and the sprinkler system has been filled and restored back to normal operation, turn the key on the flow switch bypass switch to the normal position and then remove it to prevent tampering. You may need to reset the fire alarm control panel if the trouble is latching in order to return it to normal. Utilizing the Potter Flow Switch Bypass Switch can save you time and headache by removing the need to notify monitoring or response parties as the flow switch is bypassed during maintenance or filling and no alarm signal is sent to the fire alarm control panel. For more information, please visit us at our website at www.pottersignal.com.